Hi everyone! Magbubukas tayo ng package. Nasa-shopping na naman ang lola nyo. Isang order. Tawil. Kasi wala nang tawil.
Summarizing their agreement to fight what they call transnational oppression, allowing the intimidation and even violence by certain states, which it knows is often aimed at popular groups.
Hanapin kung gaano kalaki.
Glenn McGregor, City News, Banff, Alberta. World leaders bring world attention to Kananaskis country during the G7 summit through social media posts in the form of pictures and videos. Here's French Prime Minister Emmanuel Macron posting a picture of himself and Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney amongst a stunning backdrop of King Country, thanking the Canadian leader for hosting us in Kananaskis for the G7 summit. More to the point is Great Britain's leader, Keir Starmer, posting a video with the caption, "Quick walk in the mountains before the G7 gets going." Not a bad start. While Germany's Chancellor Friedrich Merz and the United States President Donald Trump, less boisterous in their comments about Kananaskis country, simply stating their intentions at the G7 summit with images of them in the area. President of the EU Commission, Ursula von der Leyen,
Lagyan na ng souvenir.
Nestled in the majestic Canadian Rockies. Jumping on the bandwagon, the X-site at Canada.
Lagyan na ng souvenir. Souvenir.
Thank you, thank you. Ano po ba ito?
Ay! Whether posts from these world leaders
Alin dyan ako na nag-vlog ako.
in Calgary, Phoenix,
This is for sisters. And this is Culasso soup.
Anong soup dyan? Anong soup? Mami, ano to? Para saan to?
Ito sa
While doing so, a
sink.
semi traveling eastbound struck her. Emergency crews declaring her dead at the scene. The young boy in the van was not injured and was taken to Solary Children's Hospital. The Major Collision Investigation Section is investigating the incident.
tawil yan.
Manipis?
Oo, para pag ano sa Pilipinas madaling matuyo.
Parang mali ito. Ito ba yung nakikita ko?
Yeah.
Patay tayo. Ganito lang pala to.
Ito yung gun. Ito kay Siska. Blouse. Ito naman ay blazer ni Culasso. Ayan, Culasso.
Meron na ako, Inday ah. Meron na akong ganito araw. Susukatin natin yung mamaya. Hindi ano. Kasi may concert ako eh.
Ito yung ano, ilalagyan ng mga sa lababo para hindi na mag
Inday.
Ay nako.
Kailangan malinis ang lababo.
Kaya nga
Wala
eh.
na yan, wala na yan.
Sasalaan nga.
Nakagulo pa tayo dyan sa...
Voters are also headed to the polls in Old Didsbury Three Hills.
Yun lang. Bye.